Hello and welcome to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. Today we are talking about a new update from USCIS that may affect how immigration processes work during emergencies or unforeseen circumstances. So USCIS has just updated its policy manual to clarify how they handle requests during emergencies or unexpected events like natural disasters, public health emergencies, or conflicts abroad. This update is important for anyone involved in immigration processes, as it outlines the flexibilities that may be available to those facing challenges during such times. So, what kind of flexibilities are we talking about? Firstly, if you need more time in the US due to an emergency, then you can request for extension of stay and change of status. USCIS may allow it. Secondly, if you are waiting for a work permit and an emergency causes a delay, then they might speed up the process. Thirdly, if your documents are lost or destroyed in an emergency, then you could get an assistance replacing them. Fourthly, if you're unable to respond to USCIS request because of an emergency, then there may be leniency. Also, if the crisis impacts your ability to pay, then USCIS could allow a fee waiver or faster processing. Lastly, for individuals on certain non-immigrant visas, this flexibility can help in extending your stay if you can't leave the US due to the emergency. Well, emergencies can be anything from natural disasters to national emergencies. Even conflicts abroad or things like terrorist attacks, mass shootings, and cyber attacks could trigger these flexibilities. So, if an emergency happens and USCIS decides to implement these flexibilities, then they will inform the public on their website. It's great to know that USCIS is making efforts to support individuals facing tough times. And if you think that you might be affected by such situations or have questions, then be sure to stay informed through their official channels and also by subscribing to our channel. We'll keep you updated as we will learn more. Thanks for tuning in today. Stay safe and stay informed.